Greeting to all. I am Panti Ananjanting, ID number 820704135610001, a Bachelor of Information Technology with Hanoi student from OUM Cebu Learning Center. I work to deliver a speech on a topic, the esteem beheading tradition among the Iban community. The purpose of my speech today is to educate everyone on one of the Iban ancient tradition which is no longer continue. I personally feel that it is important to know our own culture identity as it is for our own sense of self in how we can relate to others. Everyone of us has the right to know who we truly are and where we are from. Understanding our past can actually help build out one living and also personal growth, apart from giving you the sense of belonging in a community. Nature use in give you us cultural root. To start off, let me introduce you to my road, Iban. Iban, also known as the Sea Dayak, is one of a few bachelor of Dayak people of Borneo Island. Mas Iban, we located here in the Malaysia state in Sarawak. The Iban were notable for the practicing of hunting as well as the territorial migration that had a fearful standing face as a strong in also extraordinary conventive trade. Although the Iban of today are generous, hospitable, and peaceful people that were one feature for the hunting activity. The who were now that the Iban people who invaded Borneo, we want upon a time the hero who will grandly feature for the breast and the neck of beheading that enemies. According to the old folk, this hunting tradition started hundred years ago. This beheading tradition can be seen as a formidable practice until the land of Borneo was once called Barbaric Borneo by the British colonists because of the cruelty and fairness to them. This tradition was controlled. Even now, the image of this traveling blow, Christy Savage, has stuck for more than 20 years, 200 years after the last Iban stronghold was reserved to the ground in the practice of herd hunting was outlawed. In ancient times, interracial warfare was common to the Borneo. To celebrate this victory, they will behead the victim and save it as a victory trophy. The herd will be taken home and filled to the below of the house. The herd heading in this day we for protection, Hannah, as for the territory expression, we was common and prevalent. It is considered an attribute that was grandly sought after, apart from being the full of manliness. If a warrior was to collect a herd and carry it back to his one village as a symbol to show power and dignity in the community, the man will then be appointed as a honorable man among the rest. The ancient belief that it of this herd, her spirit, it was supposed to give the person the whole of the beheaded, show the threat which in turn made the processor stronger in all powerful. His the Iban belief as that her trophy we contain will spread power that we treated with great care as the was to guarantee that power. Whatever willful in treatment from the procedure that we in your body, this will case travel. Even so, that travel do not believe, take for granted that all of the trophy have belief power. That believe this the beheaded warrior spirit power like to the creature greater when they we want a live. For example, if the beheaded enemy was a half warrior, the quality he honor will demonstrate favor des be politic in their. The head of the enemy obtained is processed in using smoking, a traditional method. The head was put on top of a low but related long fine. When the head of the enemy skull, which is already completed dry, it is refers to us Antupala of the herd trophy and is considered as in debt of family property. This is also believed that Antupala will bring good luck in strength of the owner in a chapel of the longhouse. After the herd trophy will be hung on every pillar of the longhouse with a small fan pit lit underneath it. We can still see it with some of the old longhouse. Every year, the Iban community will wash the herd of the enemies in give in sacrifices a chicken, eat animal, blow, and so on the herd of the enemy as part of the offering to be to the god. Sometimes the heart trophy heart given to us as offering in will even be sweet will fresh chicken blow from time to time to solve the spirit of the heart. There are few family nowadays they still want the traditional hair trophy. They heard of not display as below spot trophy, but as acknowledgement and edification of the rule in protect the community. While, however, display in processing that her come with a heavy responsibility that we more than just symbol of status. The soul of the deal belief to not only make the processor stronger but also protect the household too. For example, here says has to be made it that we asking for plentiful harvest of subgenre. The frightening tradition did not last long as this practice slowly fell in the Borneo archipelagos, starting from Sarawak due to the strike in herd rule or law of the Brok dynasty for the risk in Borneo. This old tradition, however, returned during the World War II. The press was banned by James Brok in the 18,000. That's how in is no longer a tradition in Borneo after the his it was banner since the 18th, but it remained the source of freedom until now because the blood that flow in every Dayak Borneo. Others group habit bujang berani blow in its DNA. More of the travel custom in British, including the Iban language itself, continue to active spread the including hating British feel out. Although the tradition of beheading is no longer practiced, but it remains a story that shows the bravery and courage of the Iban people. This action may be seen as a matter of indifference, but for them, this shows the struggle of such a race. As the time goes by, we can see very significant change in turn of custom in belief of the Iban community. The Iban community today no longer practice the belief of animals as in the past because most Iban people today have a religion in the majority intent process Christian. My personal hope for the Iban community is that we will always preserve our culture and heritage, even that the tradition of beheading animals is not longer continue in practice. It is important for the new generation to know, forget in it, knowledge what our ancestors fought of freedom, unity, in Hanoi. The knowledge of our river art is a critical piece of our country to remind us that we are part of our history, which describe in define our past, shape who we are today and who we are like to become if we lost of enough that we will be in jeopardy of losing the very better foundation of our identity. Thank you.